Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Here at Eon, we show you what ingredients you need, how to make it, how to use it, and most interestingly, how it all works. So join us as we discover ways to heal that have been around longer than you've been alive. The flu. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of dried elderberry, 1/4 cup of dried echinacea root or leaves, 1 cup of raw honey, 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger root, 4 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 3 cups of water. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine the 1/2 cup of elderberry, 1/4 cup of dried echinacea root or leaves, 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, ginger, and 3 cups of water. Bring this to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer until reduced by half. This typically takes 30 to 45 minutes. Strain to remove the solids. Let it cool until warm but not hot. Add the honey and lemon juice. Stir well to combine all ingredients. Pour this syrup into a clean glass container with an airtight lid. You can store it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months. How to use: take 1 tablespoon of the syrup by mouth every 3 to 4 hours during flu symptoms. During flu season, you can take 1 tablespoon by mouth daily for preventative measures. How does it work? The anthocyanins in elderberry are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve the immune response. Echinacea has alkaloids that enhance the activity of the immune system, which reduces the duration and severity of the flu symptoms and aids in fighting off the virus. Garlic contains allicin, which has been shown to be a broad antimicrobial to help fight infections and support the immune system. Ginger contains gingerols and chagols that are anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Honey has a powerful antimicrobial property that helps aid in killing off the flu virus as well as improve the immune system. While lemon contains vitamin C, which helps aid the immune system in fighting off colds and flus. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.